A quick review on digital signals. On-off source voltage control, 1 and zeros. That could be like a Hall effect signal. Right, remember, a digital signal is a Hall effect. It could be an optical sensor. It could be a micro switch. So a digital signal could be an on-off source on-off, 1 and zeros. It's a simple switch. That's a basic type of digital signal. It's a simple switch I showed you earlier. Digital signal receives source voltage. It also is an on-off signal that increases frequency. Also on-off switches. So an analog signal is a variable voltage. It's a 3-wire sensor, like a TPS or a MAP sensor. It's variable resistance. That's a 3-wire sensor that has power, source, and ground. It's a variable analog DC volts. You got analog AC volts. AC sine wave, oscillating signal. Alright, that usually an AC generator, like a cam or crank sensor. That's most two common types. A cam or crank sensor, they generate its own AC voltage. It does not require a reference voltage like a digital signal. It produces its own voltages. That's why they call it an AC generator. So an AC signal is an AC generator, oscillating signal. Again, analog signal is a variable DC voltage or variable AC voltage. Analog signal changes the signal in proportion with a particular position of something, like a throttle resistance sensor, a vein airflow sensor. And a digital signal is, I always forget to look at the camera. And a digital signal is an on-off signal, 1s and 0s. Alright, Hall effect, optical sensor, micro switches, and again, a simple switch is a digital signal. That just was a quick review, so you can remember that. It might be important to you. Don't forget it.